U.S. hospitalizations hitting a new all-time high with more than 132,000 people currently hospitalized with COVID. Now, that's the highest number on record since the start of the pandemic. The 7-day average of hospitalizations in the U.S. hitting 18,000 per day, a 32% increase from the week before. All while recent cases have been much less severe, case numbers also climbing with an average of 674,000 cases reported every day, a whopping 831,000 new cases reported on Friday. The spiking numbers once again highlighting just how much the recent surge is impacting hospitals around America, some of which have already suspended their elective procedures. Correspondent Janelle Fort joins us live from Atlanta with breaking news tonight from the CDC. Janelle.
Well, Nicole, the CDC is now advising Americans to avoid travel to Canada. The agency just upgraded our northern neighbors to a level 4 on its travel advisory scale. That's the most severe level, and they're citing high rates of COVID-19 infections in the country. Now, currently, the CDC has about 80 destinations on that list, and we could see that number continue to grow with this latest surge.
They're grim numbers. Over the past 7 days, roughly 1 in every 70 Americans testing positive for COVID-19. Hospitalizations also reaching a record high.
It's exhausting. It's quite depressing.
For the Department of Health and Human Services, more than 130,000 Americans infected with COVID-19 occupy the nation's hospital, though there's no clear distinction of which of them were admitted for the virus versus who tested positive after coming in for other ailments. The surge driven by the Omicron variant.
This variant is much more contagious than the previous one.
Pharmaceutical companies now racing for a vaccine targeting Omicron specifically. Pfizer says it's aiming to have its booster ready by March. Moderna and Johnson & Johnson haven't released a target date, and it's unclear if the additional shots will be necessary by the time they're ready. Currently, 62.3% of Americans are fully vaccinated with the first 2 doses. A fraction of them have gotten a booster. Pfizer CEO says he's unsure if a 4th shot will be needed. In a message today, the Pope urging more people to roll up their sleeves, calling getting the jabs a moral obligation. The remarks coming the same day as the Occupational Safety and Health Administration was supposed to begin making U.S. private employers with 100 or more workers require their employees to either be vaccinated against COVID-19 or undergo weekly testing. But the Biden administration mandate is now in limbo as the Supreme Court spars over its legality. And in Chicago, school's out for the 4th day as tensions continue between the teachers union and city leaders over COVID precautions in the classroom.
And we're still waiting on the White House's rollout of 500 million free at-home COVID-19 tests. And Nicole, that wait is coming as Americans are still struggling to find ways to.
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.